Hello friends, this is Python chapter 2. In this video, we will learn rules of variables, assigning multiple values, one value to multiple variables, unpack a collection, how to print some text with variable value, how to print two variables value together. So, firstly, let's learn rules of variables. Here we will know that how we have to name our variables. So, a variable name will start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive, and here are three different variables. Now here are some legal variables and illegal variables. If you want to note all this, you can. It's your wish. Now, there are some cases in Python. Camel case. In camel case, each word except the first starts with a capital letter. It wants to say that you can see this variable name, my variable name. Here three words are used, my and variable and name, and you can see this variable and name, they both are starting with a capital letter but not my. So this case is called camel case. Now this Pascal case. Here each word starts with a capital letter. Here again there are three words which are my, variable, name, and all these words are starting with a capital letter. And then there is snake case. Each word is separated by an underscore character in snake case. So again there are three words, and after every word there is underscore character. So this is called snake case. Then many values to multiple variables. Now let me show you by doing this. Here I will write the name of three variables, A, B, C. Then I will type here is equal to. So what I am doing here, I have three variables and I have separated them with the help of comma. Now I want to give all these three variables different values, but only in a single line. So it is we can firstly we have to type the name of the variables and separate them by comma. After doing that, we have to type here is equal to. Then we will type the values which we want to give these variables. Like first value will be given to A, because A is at the first number and orange is at the first number. If the second value is apple, then it will given to B, because B is at second number and apple will be also at second number. So I can type here apple. Then third value will be given to C, because C is at the third place. Now after apple I can give here mango. Then if we print all this, then the output will be orange, apple, mango. Firstly let me show you by doing print of only a variable. Okay, to save. Now see, here is only orange, and orange is at first place and A is at first place, so that's why orange is given to A. And if we print here B, then here will be apple, because B is at second place and apple is at second place, so apple will be given to B. So if we see the output of C, there will be mango, because mango is at third place and C is also at third place, you can see here. And we can type here print ABC, means we can print all these variables at one time, but I doesn't want it and I am deleting this so that they will in the next coding which we will do. So in the output we can see only that codings output. So now we have done this. After this gives one value to multiple variables. Now let me show this. Here I will do that thing, means same thing. A is equal to B is equal to C, but here I will not use comma, I will use is equal to. Now I will give C is equal to orange, or I can give her apple, or we can give her cherry, anything we can give here. Now what I am saying that I want C is equal to cherry, means C, I want the value of C will be cherry. Now here B is equal to C, so the value of C is cherry, so B is equal to C, so B will be same as the C, so it will be B and C will be cherry. Then A is also A equals to B, then the value of B is cherry, so the value of A also become cherry. So let me print all these variables. Print now when we will see the output, there will be 3 times cherry. See here. Why? Because we have printed all these 3 variables and they all have value cherry. Now let's see the next topic, which is in the PPT. Let me put it like this. Now we have done this one value to multiple variables. Then this unpack a collection. Here what we will do, we will give list items to variables. So firstly let me show you how we can create a list. So here firstly we will create a list. So we have to do same thing we do with variables to create a list. So firstly we will type the name of the variable. Like when we type the variable, so firstly we will type the name of the variable. So in the list it is same. Firstly we will type the name of the list. So it can be fruits. Then we will have to type the is equal to, then square bracket, then double quotation, and here we can put the values: apple, banana, here we can give dragon fruit. So we can create a list like this. Now what I want this 3 value. Now I will create 3 variables, A, B, C. So here are 3 variables, A, B and C. But I doesn't want to give them values separately. I want to give the values of this list, which is fruits, to these 3 variables. So I will type here is equal to, then fruits. So these variables are equals to fruits. So we will do it like this. Now when we say here print A, when we will print A, according to the order, in the output there has to be apple. So now B. Now I think there will be banana, because B is at 2nd place and banana is at 2nd place. So you can see there is banana. Now if we print C, according to the order, there I think there will be dragon fruit. Yeah, you can see there is dragon fruit. So like this you can create a list and you can give the values of the list to the variables. So let's see the next topic, which is in the PPT. Now we have done this unpacker collection. Now print some text with variable values. Now so let me show you how to do this. There's something, yeah, see this. The Python print statement is often used to output variables to combine both text and a variable. Python uses the plus character. Now what it is saying is we can print simple text really simply. We have to type like this, then the text like hello world, like this. So when we see the output, there will be hello world, but with a hello world I want a value of variable, so we can do this. So I can type here Python is, and here I can create a variable, and inside this variable I want awesome. So I want to add awesome with this Python is. So Python is awesome, I want it like this. So after this, when the quotation ends, we will add here plus sign, then awesome means A. We will add the name of variable. Now we will add a gap here so that there will be gap between is and awesome. Now let's run it. You can see Python is awesome. This all three words come together, and you can see awesome is the value of a variable. So like this you can print out the output. So now let's see the next topic, which is there in the PPT. Okay, next message. Now print two variables value together. So you can see here are two variables x and y. I want to print both these variables value together. And here you can use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. We have to do the same, but there will be a very small difference. So first, what we will do, we will create two variables. In the first variable, that is x, I will put Python is, then I will give here one space. Then in the second variable, I will type Python is awesome. I want it like this, Python is awesome. But if we print x, then it will be only Python is. Then if we print only y, then it will be only awesome. But I want both these values together. So we can do this by creating one more variable here like set. And what we will do, we will add x and y. So if we add Python is with awesome, then it will be Python is awesome. So let me here we will type x plus y, and now we will print set in which x is added with y. Now Python is awesome. The output is right, means how we want it. So like this you can add two variables in in one variable. You can add two variables and print out that variable in which you have added two variables. So like this you can do all this. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.